Good evening. We are group 21. I am Rakesh. He is Ravya Nayak. The aim of our project is to make the robot travel along arbitrarily complex two-dimensional curves so that whenever we require it to move along a, a complex path around some obstacles, we can make it easily, we can maneuver it easily around the obstacles. For example, we demonstrate our ability of the robot to traverse arbitrarily complex curves by making it draw some complex shapes like the alphabet shown in this image. The project takes this image as an input and it draws whatever curves that appear in the image on this surface. As of now, I have programmed this robot to draw this image. We now illustrate how the robot traverses along those curves. Yeah, we can see that the robot has now completed drawing one curve, so it now lifts the marker up and then starts drawing the other curve. Unfortunately, the space available was not sufficient, so we can see that the two components of the given complex curve were successfully traced on the floor. We now intend to draw a more complex picture which involves more than 4 curves. I now program the bot to draw this curve. The robot now draws the image recorded earlier, the complex image. As we can see, the accuracy of relative positioning of these curves is not exact. That is because of the scaling we used in implementing the function. The width of the register in which we have to input the distance by which the robot travels at each segment is only 8-bit wide. That's why I had to scale it with I had to scale it keeping in view of that. Okay. As the resolution of the register, which holds the distance by which the robot travels at each segment is very bad. The scaling which we adopted could not successfully capture the complex, the relative distances between curves, as we tried to draw 5 different curves, as we can see here, but the relative positioning of these two curves is obviously in error, because this is supposed to be the mouth of the smiley, this is supposed to be the chin, but as it completed drawing this part, it moved to the leftmost curve which starts in the image, which is this. As the relative positioning between these two got full of errors, the other subsequent curves were also misplaced. That's one area we can improve upon, but it can only be done unless it can't be done unless either the resolution of that distance by which the robot travels at each segment is improved by increasing the register width. That's it.